The PA Virtual Career Fair happens each spring. The objective for the career fair is really exposure, so students seeing what's out there. So we have speakers come from the community, learning coaches, or parents of students, business partners, to talk about a day in the life of their job, answer some common questions, and connect with students about what their future careers might be.
I am a musician. Primarily, I'm also a sound engineer. I'm also an educator.
Just this past year, we had an illustrator come and speak with students, a field naturalist, a jeweler. We've had a lot of speakers from the medical field. We've had doctors, nurses, we've had EMTs, police officers. We've even had a YouTube content creator. She actually connected it to their curriculum and was explaining how being able to write and communicate clearly is the basis for being a strong content creator.
Everything you need to be an influencer is whizzing right past your noses right now.
And students really connected with her. They were really excited to attend that session. And then actually a few of them did get to follow up with her later and continue talking about their goals. A lot of times, students just aren't aware of the different careers that exist. Maybe they think, I'm not good at math, finance isn't a career for me. But then a speaker comes and shares the different aspects of their job. A student connects with that. And a lot of times it does really surprise them.
You can have multiple careers. And then what is your calling? Even your callings change. And some stay the same.
So we have had students who have stayed in touch with our career fair speakers as mentors. And then they also work with me as a support person. My mom actually came to visit to speak about her career as a doctor. She's worked in a lot of different areas. A few students who attended her session continued to meet with me after that to talk about their goals, what they're interested in, and I helped them look at different schools and talk about ways that they could better prepare during high school for that career. Something else we might connect students with is additional courses or certifications in their area of interest. For example, our students going into the medical field might want to earn a first aid certificate, and that's something they can do now in high school, and we can help set them up with that. A lot of our students wanting to go into the trades, they have the opportunity to earn their OSHA certificate, so they're prepared to be safe in the workplace, and it looks great on a resume. Some of our students might even be interested in more in-depth training, like an apprenticeship, and we can definitely help support them with finding that apprenticeship. That's something that can also help them meet new graduation requirements in Pennsylvania. So we currently have a partnership with Penn College. We have another student completing an apprenticeship with an electrician. There are plenty of different opportunities for students to pursue. If students or families would like more information on career services or our career fair, I encourage you to check out the PA Virtual website or even to reach out to me directly. I'm always happy to answer questions, and I look forward to hearing from you.